Okay, for each equation, determine whether it shows a direct variation, that is, shows directly proportional variables. If it does, find the constant variation and write it in simplest form. Well, first of all, you got to decide if it is direct variation. So we're going to get our y by itself. I'm going to put it in slope-intercept form. If it just has a y and an x in the problem when we do that, then yes, it is direct variation. And the number in front of x is the constant of variation. Okay, so I'm trying to get the y by itself, so I've got to subtract 5x from both sides. Opposites cancel. Negative 2y equals 0, take away 5x is negative 5x. Divide both sides by negative 2. So negatives cancel top and bottom. So y equals 5 halves x. I'm going to take the x off of that and put it on the side. So since this does not have a y-intercept, it just has an x and a y and a number in front of x, this is direct variation. And my constant of variation is whatever's in front of x, 5 over 2. Actually, let me not use CV for that. The mathematical symbol for constant of variation is actually the letter K. So let me get you used to that. Okay, so again, I'm going to move the x over. Negative 6x on both sides. Opposites cancel. So negative 5y equals a negative 6x and a positive 8. I don't even have to finish it because you're not allowed to have a number that doesn't have a letter stuck to it. That's not allowed. So this is a no, and because it's a no, we do not have a constant of variation. It's not direct variation. Okay, so the next one, subtract 1. Try to get the y by itself. So negative 3x minus 1 equals 8y. Again, I can stop right there because I'm not allowed to have a number that doesn't have a letter stuck to it. So this one's not direct variation.